with that. So that's the view coming in from GJPC when it comes to a proposal on GST, of course, for the precious metals. But in other news, there is relief coming in for Jignesh Shah as the Bombay High Court has accepted his bail plea. Advocate Arvind Lakhawat now joins us on the phone line to talk more about that. Mr. Lakhawat, hi, good to have you. What can you tell us about this? Because the arrest had happened on September 21st. We also hear that CBI was pushing for further custody. What is the road ahead for Shah now?
Yeah, hi. First of all, I want to correct one thing. The bail has been granted by the Honorable Sessions Court, the CBI court, and not by the Bombay High Court. One. Two, this grant of this bail is very important from the perspective that the manner in which this entire episode took place raises a lot of questions, not only for Mr. Shah, but for every citizen of this country who is liberty conscious and who believes in rule of law. Because this matter is typical in its nature. This is a matter which pertains to renewal of recognition granted by SEBI to MCX Stock Exchange in August 2010. Now, for something that happened in 2010, after 4 years, CBI suddenly registers the FIR on 25th of August 2014. Now, this date is important because this is exactly 3 days after Mr. Shah was granted bail by the Bombay High Court in the NACL matter.
Sure.
Then Mr. Shah is for the first time called by the CBI for questioning in this matter on 13th April 2006. So FIR is registered on August 14. He is called for questioning in April 2006. That is after 2 years. He goes there, he cooperates, he gives all the answers.
Yeah. Mr. Lakhawat, I want to know, while we are talking about all of this, what that has happened, what do you think is the road ahead now? I mean, we do realize that as the other lawyers also have been saying, that it is a very selective way that perhaps the agencies have been working. But what is the road ahead from here?
Now, road ahead from here is certainly that this is a big relief for Mr. Shah. That whatever selective targeting that has happened, at least we have judiciary which has given the relief. Now, going forward, I don't see any substance in this case at all, for the simple reason that there is no criminality made out in this case, and therefore we have a very strong defense in this case, and probably we might be availing all the legal options possible.
All right, Mr. Lakhawat, we'll let you go at that. So that really is the view coming in. There is some date issue and, of course, the way it really has been handled, as various lawyers have been talking about. But going forward, as the council says that they would be taking various legal options onto this one. But completely out of time on this, on edition of Closing Bell. After the bell comes up next.